Hey everybody, it's Craig back to here. In this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through how to update your Red Komodo to the latest beta 1.7.3. This came out on April 14th, 2023. It adds a few new features. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to red.com/downloads/Komodo. You'll see Komodo Firmware Beta, and that was released on 4/14/2023, 1.7.3. You have to log in to download that. Now, once you do, you'll have a download file. All you got to do is put it on your CFast card and then just insert it into your camera. Also, too, I haven't tried this, but I think if you update the Red Control app, you might be able to update your firmware with that. I haven't tried that method, but I've heard they've added that to the firmware. So in the newest beta, they've added a few things. They've got GPO tally out support. They have RF iris compensation. I don't know what that is exactly. If you do, let me know in the comments section below, but I do have a couple RF lenses. They've added support for the new ProGrade 320 gigabyte CFast cards, and they've also added a few different things. There were some problems with a low voltage warning on some BP style batteries. Also, some people, when they tried to update to the latest firmware, the beta, it would freeze at 50%, so they've fixed that. Also, some people in the last beta weren't able to calibrate their cameras. They've addressed that as well. And there's a few other things that they've added. So I went from the regular build to this because the last beta I felt like it had a few issues that people were complaining about, so I think they've fixed some of those things. As you know, it's a beta. Try it out, see if you think there's any improvements. Also, when you go to download it, the release notes walk you through the steps in order to update your camera. It's pretty simple if you haven't done it before, but just follow the instructions there. Maybe I'll copy and paste these and put them in the description box below. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments or questions, you can post them down below. Also, too, I'll put the upgrade instructions in the information section just below this video. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. It's Craig back to here, and hit that like button. And also, if you're not already a subscriber and you want to see some more content about the Sony a7S III, the Sony a7 IV, or the Red Komodo, make sure you subscribe to my channel. All right, I'll see you in the next video.